Boo. Time to piss yourself. I'm gonna jump you. Go on. It's time to provide us with piss. I'm gonna jump you. Go on. He is my male wife, right? He is such a male wife material. Like, man. I would. Legit, full on would. All day, all night, everywhere. On the kitchen sink, on the counters, and everywhere. Oh, I'm gonna enjoy it. Man. Oh, you're so male wife material.
Ass. Oh, we're using the ass. Chat. We are finally using the ass. Ass.
You just see porn everywhere.
Ass.
It's only titties.
Ass. Ass.
Borderline. Fact. You don't absorb balls? Wild.
Wait,
Just
do
get
you?
the ball? Yeah? Why do you think my pee is that long? You know what? Your balls should not be safe.
Am not young. I am not young. No, I am young as Bazinga.
We're doing it louder.
I am very young. I am very young.
Oh, that's the bird.
Alright, Bob, look at this.
Oh, that's Ray.
Did the creeper just kill your jellyfish?
Oh, I'll be fine. It's not that bad, is it? Ooh! That's a chicken jockey! Ow! You jinxed it! Ow! You fully jinxed it! I'm gonna jump you.